Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Twitter for beginners. First, you'll need to create an account. This involves providing an email address or phone number, then choosing a unique username and a strong password. Once that's done, personalize your profile by adding a photo and a brief bio. This helps others recognize you and understand what you're about. It's a simple process to get started and connect with the world. Once your account is set up, you'll see your home feed, which displays posts from accounts you follow. To share your own thoughts, simply compose a new post, keeping it concise. You can engage with other users by liking their posts, which is like giving a thumbs up, or by reposting to share their content with your own followers. Following accounts you find interesting will populate your feed with their updates. To expand your reach and discover new content, use hashtags. These are keywords preceded by a pound sign, like #beginnertips, that categorize posts and make them searchable. You can also mention other users in your posts by typing the @ symbol followed by their username, which notifies them directly. For private conversations, send direct messages to individuals or create group chats. To truly maximize your experience, aim to post consistently. A good rule of thumb is 5 to 7 posts per day to start. Genuinely interact with other users by replying to their posts and joining conversations. This helps build connections and grow your audience. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals so you can read anywhere. Keep exploring and engaging to make the most of your time on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.